What is up, YouTube? Start your engines. Oh, we not even starting. Help! Help! Thanks. Maybe the bucket. The bucket. I feel like that's very obnoxious. Very, 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 very obnoxious of me. But today, we diagnosed this freaking lug of a machine that's been sitting here freezing in the cold for the longest. Today, we try to figure out what is wrong with this thing. Now it's to the point now that it doesn't, like, it cranks up, but it'll stall. And it wasn't stalling before. Like, I used to be able to drive it around town, but now it's stalling. So I'm thinking because it got cold, you know, the oil pressure and all that other stuff is being messed with. So now it's getting harder for it to crank up and do all these other things. So I'm gonna let it try to run for a little bit because I gotta make this drive to the shop on Tuesday to drop the car off. So I want to be able to make it there. So I'm gonna try to see and diagnose, you know, what the issue is and see if we can get it to at least run and crank up and, you know, get that oil flowing. But I'm gonna go check out the shop later on today so you guys can see exactly where we're gonna take it to get worked on, and so I can see where we're gonna take it to get worked on. Shit, that thing's sick.
Rain, rain, rain down on me. Whoa, whoa. Rain, rain, rain down on me. Whoa, whoa. Rain.
I got the roasted Tesla.
Man, great shop. I'm talking about a great shop. And I'm glad I came up here because, like, just to get the experience of what and where the car is going to be, man, I really do trust that it's going to be in good hands. It's going to be in great hands. So hopefully we can get it up here to get more things done. But most definitely appreciate Manny for giving me the tour today. But yeah, hopefully soon, man, we going to get this thing fixed and get it back running on the road.
Start your engines. Oh, we not even starting. You know what that means? Like, oh my gosh. Help! Help! Just my luck, I get stuck at a red light. Hoping this thing don't cut off on me, bro. Alright, so we got a 25-minute drive to Thunder Bundle Racing to get this thing dropped off, to finally get fixed. The battery's been dead, it's been cold, so it's been kind of sitting for a long time. But right now, the drive's been smooth. I pray we can make it because I haven't put it on the highway since, you know, it's been going, the battery's been going dead and stuff. So I pray we can make it there with no issues. And, you know, we're going to keep giving y'all updates as we go along. But, like, I just got off of work, so I'm, like, trying to hurry up and get this done, like, take this up here because, you know, I work so much that I'm not going to have time to just go and drop it off one day. So I'm, like, hopefully no stoplights and just on the highway, it actually drives pretty good. So I don't got to worry about, you know, troubling issues or anything like that. I just pray I can get there safely. Thank you, God, we made it. Bless the Lord. We made it. All right. We parked it. Now I gotta go turn in my key. Thunder Bunny Racing. Please get me right. Please get me right. If I don't want this YouTube grind, I don't know what to tell you, because, like, I want this YouTube grind. I'm on the way to work, but the parts came in last night, so I'm about to take these parts and drop them off into the car so they can have them, so I don't gotta run back up here. But yeah, this is that YouTube grind, like the YouTube video before work and after work. Like, this is before I blow up on YouTube, and you know, do everything I say I'm gonna do. These moments where I'm like, bro, I'm gonna look back on these moments like, bro, I remember I was doing YouTube before work. Yeah, but we gotta go drop these parts off. Hopefully the shop open when I get there. All right, I got everything dropped off. I got a couple cool cars up here. Y'all see the baby, the bucket, the bucket. But back to work. So hopefully they get this thing fixed. We dropped it off.
So Thunder Bunny, get me right. All right. So we just this dude right here, he is beeping at me. He is beeping at me. I was like, damn man, what you beeping at me for? He got his glasses on, he got his suit on, he ready for work. So we about to go drop. Well, I already dropped his parts off. So hopefully Thunder Bunny, y'all get me right. Cause I'm trying to be back, you know, beam team, you feel me? Beam team, beam team, beam team. But yeah, man, it's that grind. Like, you know, I want to do this YouTube thing, so it's non-stop. You know what I'm saying? Last night when I got off work, had to drop the car off. By the grace of God, we made it. This morning, had to take the parts there. So by the grace of God, the parts came on time. So everything's just aligning, you know, the way that it needs to be. So hopefully we can get the BMW back on the channel, because I've been moving lately. Like, you know, I've been dropping consistently. In 2026, that's my goal. Like, I want at least once a week. Once a week. And then with content, get content rolling out on TikTok and Instagram. But this Chrysler is lowered on lowering springs, right? And anybody that has a lowered car, like, y'all know, like, it kind of like, it's low. So it's like you gotta drive different. Bro, every time I hit a pothole or I hit something, it's like boom. Like literally like the loudest sound ever. It's like boom. And I'm like, what is my tire hitting? Like, is it hitting the subframe? Like I don't know what it is. Like all you is like just a boom. Like a loud boom. And I mean, it drives smooth. Don't get me wrong. Nah, I ain't gonna lie to you. It do not drive smooth at all. It's like I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's just rough, like rough. But I mean, it's still driving. But it just don't drive like how. I mean, you can't compare a BMW to a Chrysler, but it just don't drive like smooth. Like when it hits, like, you know what I'm saying. My BMW is like, it kind of like. It flows over things, like, you know, but this, it's like boom. So I don't know. I want to get this checked out, because I'm like, is my suspension messed up, or is that just how it is with springs? I don't know. Maybe I need to put some coilovers on. Like you could just, I don't know. It's just weird. Like, I can't explain it. But we are about to go punch this clock, and you know, hopefully we hear some good news soon. So, Thunder Bunny, please, 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 please bring me back to life. Cause I need my Beamer. I miss that 640 horsepower. Alright, so I do have to go get a couple things out of this car, because I left my jack and I left like all my tools in the trunk. So I'm about to go grab that, because this Chrysler needs new brakes, so I gotta do new brakes, and I'm gonna inspect the brakes just to see how bad they are, because you know they haven't been changed in a couple of years, and I've been driving this car like crazy since the BMW's been down. So it's about time I get some new brakes for this car. So I'm gonna go get the tools, the jack stands, and we're gonna check this thing out to see how bad are these rotors, because I know they're toasted, bro. Like, they gotta be. So we're gonna go to Thunder Bunny Racing, pick up the rest of the tools from the back of the car. I should be getting the car by the end of this month. I know I've been like just prolonging everything, just waiting to get this car back. But you know, when I did go check it out, it ran better than what it was. But I still have to go get some things done for it. Like, for some reason, it's just not running like how it should be. So I might just end up taking it to BMW. But for the most part, I just want to be able to just get this thing paid for, because it was a little bit more than what I was expecting. So I gotta prolong it a little bit longer, but I'm anxious to get this thing back just to see exactly what's going on with it. So that's the hold up with that. But you know, today we're gonna finish checking this thing out so we can get this thing right, because it's been a little minute since these brakes been changed. I'm talking about as soon as I press on the brakes, it's like a grinding, you know what I'm saying, kind of noise. Like, I don't know, it's weird. They most definitely need to get changed. And I also got to get it washed. I don't know if it's a cat in the neighborhood or something. Like, it literally just crawled all the way up on top of the car, around the car. And like I said, we got to get this thing rewrapped. New tires, suspension, all that good stuff. Because this car, bro, like, it's outdated a lot. Like, this car is really outdated. So we got to bring it up to date. So that's what we're going to do. Definitely going to have to rewrap this thing, bro. just sitting out here. It's starting to get all crusty. Poor thing. The hood is toasted. Like, most definitely gotta rewrap the hood. And I'm thinking about like trying to take this thing to freaking Beamer Invasion, but if I'm gonna do that, I most definitely gotta rewrap all this because I cannot have my car sitting out there looking like this. And that's just ideally sun damage. So, all right, I got all my tools to do this brake job. And like I said, man, shout out to Manny at Thunder Bunny, bro. Like, whenever I need anything, he's quick to answer. They're quick to respond. So, great team. Sorry for the inconvenience, but I appreciate y'all so much. And I just like pulled a bunch of clips. So when you're seeing this video, I'm probably gonna have the car back, and I'm just gonna piece together the whole process of me dropping it off, me thinking I was gonna pick it up, all this stuff. So when you see this video, it's gonna be a montage of everything. I'll probably just be like, I finally got it back. But we got like 2 more weeks, and then we get her back. They did fix up some of the wiring. So from my guess, I think just because the battery's so dead that the car, it's just kind of like in a sleep mode, so it doesn't get the power that is necessarily like needed. So I guess when I get a new battery, it'll wake it up and it'll clear all those faults that we need to get cleared for it to run properly. So hopefully, in the next couple of weeks, we're gonna take it up to BMW, see if they got a warranty on this battery, or just buy another battery, and then everything should be working fine. So we gonna see, hopefully. Yeah, this thing ain't no slouch. This thing ain't no slouch now. It got a little power, yo. You got a little power.
Looks like you lost another one.
Just a little drive through the city. Just a little drive through the bitty. Through the city, bitty. You know you litty. I wish I had a camera car. Just to get the ambiance of me riding through the city. And we riding down Main Street. Finna go get some good content. I hope everybody's staying warm and safe during this winter storm saga in South Carolina, because we've been getting smashed with snow after snow after snow. But this car is filthy, it's dirty as heck, but I do got some great news I've been wanting to share with you guys. I did film a little bit while I was going after work, but now it was safe to say, bro, I've been staying down for the longest, but we got the car back. So after I get this thing washed up, I'm gonna take y'all and we're gonna do a little overview. I'm gonna keep y'all updated and I'm gonna give y'all some updates with what's going on with this BMW, because low-key that's kind of slowing down the process of me building this Chrysler. But now that we got it back, we good to go. Bro, if anybody in South Carolina like that cleans cars, hand washes, and you in like the Greenville, Easley, Spartanburg, surrounding area, bro, please comment down below, because sometimes, bro, I do not like taking my cars through this car wash, because they be tearing the, you know what I'm saying, like they just tear your parts off your car. So if anybody knows anybody that details cars, cleans cars, mobile detailing, anything like that, let me know. I need y'all to come get me right. And don't try to break my pockets either. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take care of you, but take care of me too.
Looks like you lost another one.
Don't tell me you gon' ride for me if you really not. Smash the pedal, yeah, we in the beef, is telling parking lots. Don't tell me you gon' ride for me if you really not. Smash the pedal, yeah, we in the beef, is telling parking lots. Fish selling, baby, she going. Catch my drift, shit, I'm on.
The snow effect. It's snowing, y'all. But nah, man, I just got doing a little bit of content for this car right here, behind here on this little patch of snow that I found. But I'm gonna take y'all home, so we can do a little talk about this BMW that's been a pain in my butt, but we finally got it fixed. Got my Eskimo shoes on. I'm an Eskimo. All right, so we finally got this thing back. Now, the problem is when it was sitting for so long, the battery went dead. So I'm thinking because the battery went dead, I had to buy a new battery. And once I buy the new battery, it'll communicate with all the electronic systems to say that it got a full charge, because the battery, it has like some type of parasitic drain. A lot of these cars have parasitic drains. So that's what I'm assuming the issue is with it communicating with everything else. Because I got the Vano system replaced. So on that end, it should be all good. But I'm thinking it's more so just an electronic issue. So once we get this battery replaced, you know, it'll make the car run better because it'll have a full charge versus just running on a dead battery. So we got it back, but we gotta wait at least another, well, next week I'll be able to get the battery for it, and then hopefully that is it. And then what I want to do is get some spacers, because as you can see, this wheel is really tucked in this wheel well. So I think some spacers and bring it out a little bit more, and then eventually get some lowering springs to take away that gap. And this car will sit pretty good. You know, we do got a bigger tire in the back too, so it got a lot more meat in the back, and we do got to get a matching set for the front. So once we do that, we should be in a good spot. You can't tell me with this car being lowered that it won't like look good. Like, I feel like, you know what I'm saying, lower some aero, that should be pretty much it for this car. Like, after that, this thing is good. Like, it's already fast, it looks good, some rims, aero, and I say like this build is complete, honestly. Just rims and aero and lowering, and like that's it. That's all it needs, because this thing is a freaking jet. That's why I miss it. It's been like 3 months now, and I was complaining about this car being gone, freaking Chrysler, when it was broken. Now I got that back finally. Now we got this back, and we just got to get everything, you know what I'm saying, situated. But financially, it is a lot messing with these cars, bro. If you a car guy, you know that's why I work so much. But I'm just happy we back in business. We gonna take care of all this, get this back right, and we gonna get the top back right, because all this is just from it sitting, it just got sun damage, man. It just don't look good at all. And then we gonna wrap this the solid color, wrap the trunk the solid color, and I mean not the trunk and the rear bumper. And I honestly want to keep this up front, because to be honest with you, I like the little design in the front, but I feel like in the back it's just missing something. Like, it just looks like it don't look right. So I don't know if I want to just do the back bumper and then leave the trunk like that, or just do the whole thing. But we gotta fix this back here, because I don't like how this looks back here. But that's pretty much it. That concludes everything, man. We finally got it back, so we're gonna hit the ground running. I know it's February. I wanted to get this video done by January, but we're getting like smashed with snow. So it's snow after snow after snow after snow. So I can finally get this out to y'all. I'll probably have this video out by the end of tonight. And we on the road to getting these things back clean. Because this right here is going to be a whole project of itself. But this minor changes, we good to go. But I do want to say thank you guys for watching the videos. Like I said, we're going to be more consistent. We got this thing back. We just got to get it back running tip-top shape. But appreciate everybody that's been commenting on the videos. And we on the road to 1K. We're at 711 right now. Let's see if we can get to 800 by the end of February. That's the new goal, 800 by the end of February. But thank you, and shout out to everybody that's been, you know, commenting and staying along for the journey. And we're going to get this thing back right, and we're gonna get this thing back right. But appreciate y'all so much, man, and stay tuned for the next one. And y'all stay warm out here in the South Carolina weather, because we getting smashed with snow.